Layout Nuggets. Precision insights for smarter designs. RET, Resolution Enhancement Technology. Let me ask you something. Is your layout RET ready, or is it silently sabotaging yield at advanced nodes? It's a hard truth. What looks good in the editor might be completely unmanufacturable without RET. That's why it's not just about drawing clean polygons. It's about designing with lithography in mind. Why does RET need to know your layout better than you do? Because light doesn't behave like your intentions. It bends, it scatters, it blurs. RET compensates for these effects, but only if your layout speaks the right language, which means you've got to design with RET in mind from day one. Now imagine this. You floor plan your chip, route it beautifully, pass the P&R tools with flying colors, but you ignored RET. What happens next? Mask violations, manufacturing bottlenecks, and weeks of rework. That's the DFM nightmare you don't want. So plan for a RET, not as an afterthought, but as a design rule. At 5 nanometers and below, is RET still just a foundry concern? No way. At these nodes, everything is interconnected. RET, layout, design rules, manufacturability, they're part of one ecosystem. Layout engineers can no longer just pass the baton to the foundry. It's time to rethink the approach and bring RET awareness into every layout decision. So here's the final question. What's more critical for your RET? Smarter lithography tools or smarter layout strategies? Honestly, it's not a versus question. It's about collaboration. RET isn't magic. It amplifies the intelligence of your layout decisions. So the smarter you are about RET, the better the tools can do their job. And that's your layout nugget from Semionics, where every detail leads to a difference in silicon. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.